Welcome on board Valkyrie. We are Mark and Cynthia. In 2020, we sold everything to chase a dream, cruising America's Great Loop. Starting from Buzzards Bay, Massachusetts in May 2025, we set off on a once-in-a-lifetime journey exploring 6,000 miles of North America's waterways, canals, lakes, and rivers. We are inviting you to join us out here, somewhere on the water, and experience our loop right alongside us. Beautiful morning. This morning, July 4th, 2025. We anchored in Picton, which is part of Prince Edward, Ontario. Beautiful anchorage. It was so peaceful, not one single anchor alarm, which was great. And we were not alone. We were with a boat, another looper that we met in Kingston, and they are also on their way to Trent. And what's the name of their boat? Big Wave?
Big Wave.
Big Wave. So we are traveling together to Trent today. Mark is going to lead the two of us and travel at about 8.5 knots. There's a golf club here in Picton. We saw some golfers hit the balls yesterday up on the hill. Hopefully our music wasn't disturbing them. When we think we're in a nice, quiet, peaceful place, we like to disturb the peace and crank our music. We try to be respectful about it. Respectfully? Respectfully respectful?
Respectfully loud.
Respectfully loud. I did hear Mark having a conversation with the boat, Big Wave, about going into Picton. He went into Picton to get fuel and a pump out. The pump out was $25 Canadian, and fuel was, of course we're in Canada, so it was by the liter, and it was and it turned out to be about $4.68 per gallon.
Hey, question for you. Are we supposed to be calling it Trenton like on the map?
Oh, is it
Trenton?
Oh, is it Trenton?
I think it's Trenton.
Oh, sorry, I've got really big on your face right here.
It might be shortening it because it's called the Trenton Southern Waterway.
Oh, so we're messing that up, Trenton?
I'd probably make that correction.
And we're about to do some sort of crazy hairpin turn.
It's like a 20-minute hairpin turn.
It's like a 20-minute hairpin turn. Let me get my camera in order here.
Yes, let me get out of your way.
You just said it was a 20-minute hairpin turn. How could I possibly be in the captain's way? You're only driving the boat.
I'm driving the house.
Do you like it better when I'm working and I have nothing to do with filming because I'm busy working and I can't get in your way? Anyway, we're coming down here we're gonna go under the bridge. So we just came from there, Picton, and now we're coming around the point in this 20-minute long hairpin turn. And we're headed that way towards Trenton. We got this wonderful packet of information from the harbor hosts in our email yesterday, and it is packed. It's like 20 some odd pages, and it is packed with information about the area, about how to do the locks through the Trans-Severn. It gives, oh my gosh, lock numbers, tie-up, lift, everything. Bridge heights, like everything you could possibly want. We got a lovely packet of information in Waterford as well. So this was awesome. So thank you so much to the harbor hosts. We are going to use the heck out of it. Eric and Karen Martin, we appreciate it. There's some people fishing. So Mark's going to slow down so he doesn't wake them. All right, going back to this packet. This packet of information is amazing. Before you start your trip on the Trent-Severn waterway, if you plan on taking on fuel or pumping out at Trent Port Marina, we suggest that you do so the night before you plan on starting your Trent-Severn waterway adventure to avoid delays and lineups at the pumps. If there's a group of loopers planning on leaving on the same morning, please get together and determine who's going to lock 6 and who's going to try to get all the way to Camp Belford. Camp Belford? Camp Belford. Maybe saying that wrong. We suggest that boaters heading to Camp Belford leave in the first group, and the second group can leave a half hour later, as it generally only takes 3 hours or so to get to Frankfurt Lock 6. Please do not all rush out for first lockage and arrive in a pack, as there is limited space on the blue holding line, and the lock masters will generally not lock boats through rafted up together. Also, just because you arrived first does not mean you'll get through in the first lockage, as the lock master tries to maximize the boats to fit in the lock, so may ask boats to enter lock out of order. That's awesome. Awesome information. We just honked our horn at these sailboats. We're coming through. We've got a plethora of sailboats, and we're passing them.
Your passing signal.
Oh, it's a passing signal?
He started to turn into me.
Oh, okay. Mark gave him a passing signal because he started to turn into him. All right, all fenders, all lines. We're getting ready for docking, and we're getting ready for locking. So all fenders, both sides. We'll be locking tomorrow, but we're tying up to a dock tonight. Okay, we just got fueled up. This is a little area that you can day dock. And we went to the fueling station. In Canada, of course, it's measured in liters. We took on about a half a tank, and we also filled the tender's gas tank. And in Trenton, the law is they have to ask you to disembark, and they fill the fuel and they pump your tank out.
Alright, I gotta try that. I gotta tie a loop on your line.
You gotta tie
The wind's gonna blow us off.
Oh. Okay. Okay, so I will try to loop it around a cleat.
Okay.
Because that's our slip right there, and we are coming in against the wind. This ought to be interesting. Yo! Hey! Looped! Well, we got this line on, and then he looped that front line on, and now he's gonna use these back. He's gonna use this back station. Work his magic. So after he got that stern line on, I threw him this bow line, and then we both just sort of yanked and got us in as close as we could. It's 1:55, and here we are in Trenton. I'm in Trenton. Everything to the marina is ridiculously close. The marina's just right over there on the other side of this library, municipal offices and public library. The Metro grocery store is right there. There's a discount grocery outlet right here. Bargain Club, I didn't go in, I don't know what's in there. And Shoppers, which is a huge Walgreens, CVS style store. There's a walk-in clinic, you can get your nails done here. The liquor store is just a few more minutes down the road. Anything you could need. Mark walked to get his scuba tank filled, and everything is just super, super convenient. This marina had access to walking and biking, some great parks nearby, fabulous boaters lounge with TV, fireplace, comfy chairs, free laundry with multiple big washers and dryers, and fabulous modern clean bathrooms. We really enjoyed our stay here at this marina in Trenton, and we look forward to doing the Trent Severn. And that's tomorrow. Thank you, Jeff from Big Wave, for taking these photos of Valkyrie at sunrise in Picton while we were at anchor. They are amazing, and we love them. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Our Loop. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned because there's lots more to come. Thank you.